Cover your mouth. Have I not raised you at all?
No, I don't feel good.
What doesn't feel good other than your iPad cough?
My lips are chapped, my mouth is dry, and I'm hungry.
You're okay. You seem... Oh, actually...
Maybe if I have another cough drop, it'll help.
We ran out of cough drops about 2 weeks ago. I can go... Wait, did you...
I already took 4, and I'm just tired, and Bluey looks really cool.
Honey, did you eat the cough drops that were in my bathroom in the zippy bag?
Yeah, they're almost gone. I think if I have another, it'll...
Go lay down. Go lay down for till tomorrow.